morning, guys. It's 8 what's up, you guys? It's going to farm. What you guys been up to? Oh, shit. So, I'm just going downstairs to grab some lunch. I don't know. Lunch. Ooh. Why is that not shut properly? I do not know. Who knows? So, welcome to Vlogmas, you guys. Yes. So today we are going to open number one of these coffees. Timmy's. Thank you for my Secret Santa giving me this. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to put some coffee in. I don't know what kind of coffee I'm going to get. We got bold roast coffee, you guys. Yeah. So I'm going to put that in curry, and because my Secret Santa knew what I love. So that's exciting. Every time, we are going to open a new one of them and see what kind we get every morning. So, you're going to put coffee in, dump that in the sink, get that going, put coffee in there, let's get doing. So, let's do this, you guys. So for my lunch, you guys, we are going to have some pizza. But I'm going to add some cheese to this because this doesn't look appetizing. Like, we had pizza last time. But we asked for no dairy cheese and dairy product. And we got a Pizza Hut and they told us that they would make a dairy pizza. Ended up there was cheese in the sauce. So, yeah. If you guys did not know, Pizza Hut, if they tell you that they have dairy free, they don't. The cheese has the sauce. And look at this snow, you guys. Look at that. That's cool. So right now I'm drinking my coffee, you guys. Tastes good. I love lots of cream on mine, you guys. I don't know who's messaged me, but I can find out. So right now, you guys, I'm just gonna make a list of stuff that I need to get today. And I'm heading out to work, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm talking to you guys when I go to work because it's easier, and I'm going to keep this light on so it's easier for me to see when I come home because I don't have a light over here. Oh, there's my mom to tell me we should get going soon. So I will talk to you once I get my coat on. I will talk to you guys what I have to do because I have to do some stuff before I leave, you guys. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I leave. So right now, you guys, I'm just scraping off my vehicle because I need to go to work. So I'm just scraping with my broom for now, like my old broom. I don't really care about anymore in that moment because that's what I do. I do things I have to do for the time being until I find my broom. I mean my, I don't know what exactly it's called, I don't know what technically it's called, but I need to scrape up my vehicle. So that's what I'm doing, scrape up my vehicle. So that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just at work, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. So right now, I just got home, you guys. I am making some crap dinner, you guys. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm setting up my computer room. Yes, I'm gonna be setting up my computer room. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.